So hey, what's up guys? What's going on? Already we have availed the Apple back to school offer, but in this video we'll be talking about something different, that is the Adopt. So here Adopt is giving you student discount where you are getting the subscription at very affordable price. And besides Shubham here, we'll be talking about this thing in this video. You're watching Unzip Tech. Let's get started. On the link that I have given in the description so that it gets easy for you. This is the official Adopt page for Adopt India, and here as you can see some sale is going on right now, right? So if you come on this page, at the top itself you will say the Adopt summer sale is live already, but there are some restrictions. By restriction I mean there is a deadline that we have, that is the 30th July. So the sales ends on 30th July, but again there is a catch over here. I have seen this date getting extended every now and then, so I'm not sure if it will be ending on this 30th or it will be getting extended. So better to avail the offer before that. And here you can see the price that it has given. The price is $599. Usually it used to be $733.96, but as of now they are providing it for $599. Again, I haven't bought this for this much price also. I have bought it for more cheaper. I'll show you how. So once you click on the save now option, you'll see there are different tab over here. So from all this you just have to click on the student and teacher. No need to worry if you do not have any student ID or a teacher's ID or an education email ID. Nothing is needed. You just need to click on the save now option. Now again there is an option to add this. Some people might add this and later on they'll think, okay, let's add this and later on I'll just cancel the subscription. Or some might either think the way that I thought, that if you add this automatically it will be cancelled after 30 days. But no, this is something different that comes with it. If you do not cancel this manually, it will keep on charging you more. So better to avoid this if you're not able to do it manually, and then click on save now. You'll see a page like this, and then you can see over here you have 499 rupees per month, and this is the thing which I went with. And no verification, nothing is done. You just need to click on this buy now. It will ask you the card details, or before that you need to log in. So once you have logged in, it will ask you for the card detail. It includes GST and all everything. After that you can just claim your offer. That's it. And that is how I am using the Adopt. But now just remember that this cannot be used with multiple people, because this is a student ID discount plan, and I'm not sure about the actual account, but here you only get access to one account at a time. Means you will be only able to use this account for a particular user device. By that I mean, if you have logged in your system, like in your computer, so if you're using on your computer, your other devices will not be accessible. Like this account will not be able to use for the same application. Like if you're using Photoshop on your computer, you'll not be able to use Photoshop on your phone, or you'll not be able to use Photoshop on your another computer. So this is how it works. So that is the reason, go with the individual thinking. Don't try to add up your friends with this, because I thought of the same and that did not work. Because I read the terms and condition, I was aware of that. Okay, so what are your thoughts? Do you think of buying this subscription, or do you have still thoughts that are making you wait? Then let me know in the comments if you are thinking, or if you want some suggestion from me. I'll definitely try to reply all those. So that's it for this video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, bye bye.